Hey, it's Jeff, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Today is Saturday, September 30th, 2023. I'm here at Kilo 7648, the Chesapeake and Delaware Canal Conservation Area. I know it's been a bit since I've been out and on the air, but for the past 8 days it's been completely miserable here in northern Delaware. It's been rainy and misty rainy and just nasty outside. Well, I just got back from walking the two dogs, Alfred the POTA pug and Ahsoka the French Bulldog puppy. Both had a good time. Ahsoka has a little bit more energy in her right now. Alfred's, he's pooped. So we're going to get on the air, and I'm going to be using the FX4CR SDR transceiver again. Let's start at 20 and see what the action's like there, and maybe we'll jump around a little bit, who knows. So stick around, let's see what's going to happen together.
Okay, I'm back. This is Kilo 4, X-ray Japan at Park Kilo 3784.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Yeah, the park to park?
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Okay, I got two on there. Is it Kilo Juliet? Oh, let me get that right. Kilo Juliet 3, are you a park to park?
Yeah, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Hey, what's your park number there? You're 5'9".
You're a 5'8" here to Delaware, Kilo 7648. 7648, QSL.
Okay, thank you for the 5'8" at 7648. You're 5'7", 57.
QSL 57, I got you at 3784. Good luck with your activation, 73.
Roger, roger. Take care. Appreciate you checking into the park. Okay, the other park to park. This is Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo, Bravo, QRZ.
Park to park, park to park. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Oh, I heard a park to park in there real loud. Come again?
Park to park, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, QSL.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. I got you a 5'2", it's a Kilo 7584, QSL.
QSL the 5'2", you're a 5'9" here to Delaware, Kilos 7648. 7648, QSL.
7648. Hey, thank you very much for the park to park. Good luck and have fun out there today. 73.
73.
This is Victor Echo 1, Romeo Papa, X-ray parks on the air, QRZ.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park. I believe I got your 5'7", QSL.
QSL the 5'7". I need your park again, but you're a 5'7" also to Delaware, Kilo 7648. 7648, QSL.
A copy of 5'7" at Kilo 7648. Please copy 5'7" at Park Victor Echo 0042. Roger.
QSL the 5'7" from Victor Echo 0042. Thank you for the contact. Good luck with your activation, 7-3.
Have a great activation as well, 7-3, QRZ.
Go ahead.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park. Kilo 3, Japan Radio Zanzibar. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, QSL.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zanzibar. You are 5555 is the park number Kilo 7126, QSL.
QSL, you're a 5'3", 5'3" to Delaware, Delta Echo, at Kilo 7648. 7648, QSL.
What's the park?
Kilo 76, negative, 7648. 7648, QSL. Roger, you got it.
Roger.
Good luck with your activation in 7-3.
Thank you for activating in 73.
Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ parks on the air from Kilo 7648. CQ parks on the air.
November 1, Alpha Whiskey Tango.
November 1, Whiskey Alpha Tango, QSL.
November 1, Alpha Whiskey Tango, QSL. Alpha Whiskey Tango.
Yeah, I lost it when my cursor wasn't in the call sign field. November 1, Alpha Whiskey Tango, you're a 5-6 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
Hey, QSL, you're 5-5, Iowa.
QSL, the 5-5, Iowa. Thank you very much for the contact, Jeff. 73.
73.
QRZ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9, Yankee Zulu, QSL.
QSL, you are 5-8, Indian November.
QSL, the 5-8 Indian November, you're a 5-5 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
Okay, 73, take care, have fun out there.
All right, thank you for the contact, 73. QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo Echo 7, Bravo Juliet.
Kilo Echo 7, Bravo Juliet, you're a 5-6 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648. QSL, the 5-5 from Wyoming, thank you for the contact, 7-3. All right, thank you for the contact, 73. QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Whiskey 9, Charlie Papa Lima.
Whiskey 9, Charlie Papa Lima. Helps if I typed it correctly. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
5-7 both ways, Illinois.
All right, thank you for the 5-7 from Illinois. Have a good weekend, 7-3.
Sorry, have a good day.
CQ parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Golf Tango Romeo.
Kilo India 5, Golf Tango Romeo. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
QSL, Jeff, got you 5-7 into Alpha Romeo.
All right, Les, thank you for the contact from Arkansas. Have a good day, 7-3.
Sorry, man, have fun.
QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Alpha Kilo 4, Mike India.
Alpha Kilo 4, Mike India, QSL.
QSL.
All right, you're a 5-7 up here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
Thank you very much for 7648. You're 5-7 in Florida, 5-7 Florida. Have a good afternoon.
All right, QSL, the 5-7 from Florida. Thank you for the contact, and 7-3. QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu from Kilo 7648, the Chesapeake and Delaware Canal Conservation Area. CQ parks on the air.
Kilo 1 Alpha. Kilo 8 Romeo Oscar Yankee.
The Kilo 8 station again.
Kilo 8 Romeo Oscar Yankee, 5-7 Illinois.
QSL, the 5-7 in Illinois. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
QSL on the 7648. You have a great activation.
All right, thank you for the contact again, 7-3. QRZ. Kilo Oscar 4 Romeo Zulu X-ray, QSL.
Zulu Romeo X-ray. Zulu Romeo X-ray.
All right, Kilo Oscar 4 Zulu Romeo X-ray. Got your on. You're a 5-5 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
Hey, roger that. You're 5-7, Jeff. 57 into Kentucky. Thanks for being out there today. Hope you have fun. 73.
All right, thank you for the contact. 73. QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Whiskey 9, Victor Echo Charlie, W9DEC, QRP.
Whiskey 9, Victor Echo Charlie, QRP, QSL.
QSL, you're coming in good here in Illinois at 5-9, 5-9.
QSL, the 5-9, you're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 7648.
Roger that. Thank you very much. Running 10 watts here on a Zygu 6100.
Excellent. I'm only doing 20. I want to go down to 10, but I haven't pulled that trigger yet on the FX4 CR.
Excellent, man. Thank you. 73, and have fun.
All right, thank you for the contact, 73. QRZ. All right, the Whiskey India station, that's park to park.
Whiskey India 0 Oscar.
Whiskey India 0 Oscar, got you. You're a 5454 here to Delaware, kilo 7648.
7648. I got you 55 in the 2 parks.
QSL, I'm ready.
2519, 2519, and 4826. 4826.
All right, I got a 55 from kilo 2519, and kilo 4826 QSL.
Well,
All right, thank you for the contact. Good luck with your activation, 7-3.
Kilowatt Alpha 4, kilowatt, correct.
The Kilo Alpha 4 station again.
Kilowatt Alpha 4, kilowatt Oscar Echo.
Kilowatt Alpha 4, kilowatt Oscar Echo. Phil, you're a 5-4 here to Delaware, kilo 7648.
Roger, you're also 5 and 4, 5 and 5. I am also on Foxtrot X-Ray 4, Charlie Radio 20 watts, over.
QSL, got that. Thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend, and 73, good. Have fun with the radio.
Man, yeah, man, I'm gonna post this on the group so everybody will know we had a FX to FX chat. Have a good time.
All right, I'll have this video up in a few days, so we'll both share them. Thank you for the contact again. Talk to you in the group, 7-3.
Have fun, buddy.
All right, thanks a lot. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. From Kilo 7648, CQ Parks on the air.
Kilowatt 2, India Tango Zulu.
Kilo 2, India Tango Zulu, QSL.
QSL, you are 5858. Sierra Charlie.
QSL Sierra Charlie, you're a 5555 here to Delaware, kilo 7648.
Roger.
Roger.
Thank you for the 7648 and the 5573.
All right, thank you for the contact, 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. So you like this video on this activation, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell to learn when new videos will be released, and please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this video and this activation, if you want to see the pretty Ahsoka again. Thanks for watching, 73. Say bye. Where'd everybody go? Get on my tripod, bug. They're playing. CQ Park.